What's up guys, C2113 here, and today I'm going to be showing you the simplest, easiest, and safest way to remove the blue protectant from your new white wall tires. It is seriously dead simple. All you're going to need is a microfiber cloth soaked with hot water and a dry microfiber cloth. You could also use terry towels. I just like to be a little more gentle on the white walls. What you're going to do, take your hot water microfiber cloth and simply gently scrub the area. And as you can see, the blue material protectant is coming right off. And then once you've done an area, I like to work in areas and in sort of sections, but you can do the whole tire at once. After you've done that, just take your dry cloth and finish up by wiping off the excess water and dissolved blue. And there you have it. Just repeat that for the entire tire, and you've got yourself some nice, clean, new white walls. So if this video was helpful, you could help me out by giving me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do, leave them below. And if you want to see more great content, you know what to do as well. Get subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys.